Hey folks, back at FGFRC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. I want to take up the FREEWING YAK 130. Gonna have a little bit of fun with her. Sorry, Mama is home, couldn't come flying with me today, so you got to put up with me filming on my cell phone. But that's okay. Okay. Right, left.
High rates, mid rates.
Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right. A little bit about the Yak here. It has been tricked out. I have a KM model afterburner there, their version 2. It just has the yellow flame, which is realistic. And the plane now has the same motor and ESC that comes in the new 70mm F22 from FREEWING. Also has reverse thrust. So the one thing I haven't done is given it lights or upgraded suspension, but the suspension actually is okay on this. However, I have a 7-channel Lemon RX Gen 2 receiver, no stabilizer, just straight control. So, and it is windy, but y'all know me, that's what I get. So here we go. Timer set for 3.5 minutes.
Starting the fun again.
All right, here we go. She should be a rocket ship.
Gear up.
Oh man.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Like in mid rates. Wind is messing with her.
Time remain. Gear down. Landing flaps. Stopping the plane. Cruise mode. Flaps up.
This has one of the coolest, deepest sound, throaty sounds. And that big old rudder, that wind just pushes her all over the runway. Now, if I had an 8-channel Spectrum receiver in there, I could maybe put that nose gear on that new AS3X gyro to help. But with that great big wind and that great big rudder and this wind kind of going across runway, yeah, it don't matter what kind of technology you got. All right, I'm liking my mid rates. Just to let you know, my mid rates that I'm flying in right now are 70% with 30% expo. Excuse me, all the way around. All right. Take off again. Man, she's a fun little jet to fly, especially now with the upgraded power system.
Gear up.
Woo! Let's do that again. Watch this.
1 minute.
Woo! That was fun.
Gear down. Take off flaps. Landing flaps. Take off flaps. 30 seconds. Landing flaps. Stopping the plane. Cruise mode.
Woo! That was fun.
Flaps up. 20 seconds. Landing flaps. Greg, land the Yak 130 now.
She's a tough bird, by the way. I should not have gone up again, but oh well. Make sure I don't have any damage. I don't think I do.
Flaps up.
Well, she looks okay. Not even a crinkle in the wing, even. I mean,
Landing flaps.
but it is so windy.
Flaps up. Motor off. Safe to approach.
Let me check the gear out real quick. It's just got that chicken wire gear, but you know it's
Gear up. Gear down.
very reliable. All right. Okay. Yeah, I don't see any damage at all, even with that little rough and tumble there at the end. All right, let's take a look at this. I got battery checker on the back of my transmitter. Thank you, viewers. Okay, that is where I have the 7-channel. I put a large popsicle stick glued in there to make a little shelf. That yellow and black wire is the KM model afterburner, and that's where I've got the 4000 Sokokin. Basically, if you look at the battery tray, maybe a finger width and a half in from the front of that foam there. But she flies amazing. And there's no gyro, no nothing in this, and it's windy. But it's just a locked-in plane. 34%. Look at that. Let me show it. I don't know if you saw it or not. But look at that. 34%. And I flew for 12. It's so bright out here right now. 12 seconds over.
Starting the fun again.
Okay, I flew for 3 minutes and 42 seconds, and I still got 34% left. So that tells me, that you could set your timer for 4 minutes. Just land after 4 minutes. But that is just one sweet flying plane. And the new, I thought about getting the green one, the new one, but it's exactly the same motor that comes in the, if you buy the plug and play, it's the same motor. They haven't done anything other, they haven't even upgraded the gear. All they've done is just give it a different paint job. But believe it or not, that chicken wire is okay. It's very tough, but it will give you more bounce. But you know, hey. All right, folks. Well, thank you so much for watching. God bless y'all. God is great, and that is the FREEWING YAK 130, the same as the green one they sell now, just the green one has a new paint scheme. Y'all have a good and God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then Yak 130s. Bye-bye.